Hi friends, how are you all? So friends, we all try to get the best out of our day always. We put in all our efforts, we make plans, we make strategies to make our day productive and fruitful. However, it is an art to make our day perfect. So today we're going to learn some really effective and important steps to make our day productive and perfect. So if you would like to know what all these ways and steps are, I would request you to please watch this video till end to get the best out of it. So let's start it. Welcome to Mindyology, a platform for skills, lifestyle and career development. I'm your host and host Deepak from Team-Mindyology. So friends, as we've discussed, we're going to share some really nice steps with you to make our day perfect. Okay, so the first thing is, please do not hit the snooze button. Yes, my friends, it's a very important thing. Most of us use the alarm clock or the cell phones to get up in the morning. As soon as it starts ringing, we hit on the snooze button. We do it twice, thrice, or a couple of times, but we do not get up. We go to the bed again. Please do not do that. I would say rather you keep your alarm clock a little away from the bed or probably in the other room, so that you need to get up once it gets ring and you need to go out, get up from your bed and stop it, because that will make you get up from the bed. You'll stand and then you won't go again to the sleep. So that's important. The second thing is, please do a deep work or an uninterrupted work for at least 90 minutes in a day. Yes, my friends, without any distractions of anything like social media or anything, phones, leave everything aside and do a complete uninterrupted work for 90 days in a day. It's important. Next thing is exercise. Yes, my friends, an exercise of at least 30 minutes in a day is really important to keep our body fit and rejuvenated. That will eventually lead to making our day perfect. Then the next thing is eating healthy. Yes, my friend, we need to make sure that whatever we're eating should be healthy, which should give us nutritions, vitamins, minerals, everything, because if our body would be healthy, our mind would feel nice, and eventually that leads to making the day very productive and fruitful and perfect. Then the next thing is, please have a positive attitude. Yes, my friends, if we want to make our day perfect and productive, we need to have a positive attitude throughout the day so that we can get the best out of our day and make it perfect. Then the next thing is, please set the strong boundaries. Yes, my friend, this is for that, so that you should have a strong a wall across you, so that people should not come and disturb you for their things, and you should be concentrated and motivated towards your goal of the day, and you should achieve your goal and make it perfect. Last but not the least is, be present. Yes, my friend, we need to be present. Present means that we need to be available and existed in all our tasks. We should not be deviated and disconnected with the thing. At times it happens that we are there but our mind not there. So we should not do that. We should focus on those things and do the thing with full enthusiasm and full energy. So friends, I hope you've understood all these things and you would also apply them in your life, and that will lead to making a day perfect as you want always. So if you've liked this video and if you found this useful and helpful, then please share it with your friends, family and colleagues so that they can also get the best out of it. And if you've liked the video, then please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update from us always. So it's time to say bye-bye to all of you. We will meet you next time at the same channel, Mindyology. Till then, please keep loving Mindyology like this only, and please do take very good care of yourself, friends. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.